Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 13.6-inch touchscreen radio replacement special for Lexus LX570 27 to 2015 years. Okay, let me unbox review. It's a very big box, you can check. And this is head unit, cable, okay. Okay, let me show harness it first. You can check this harness. This connector connect our back head unit, and those for the factory plugs. This supports this radio antenna. You can check this radio antenna, this backup camera adapter, and this connector on back of head unit. This main plug and play. Okay. Okay. This is also the camera adapter. And this video out box by USB there. Okay. This amplifier, you can check. This is high configuration and power amplifier wire. It's for factory high level amplifier adapter. Okay. And it comes with the metal installation. It's left and right metal installation. Okay. And this Wi-Fi antenna, Wi-Fi and 4G. This is Wi-Fi antenna. That's 4G antenna. This is GPS. And there are two USB cable. And this original USB, OEM USB adapter. And this also the power cable. For another JBL harness, you can check those connector, radio, and compatible with the factory camera adapter. Okay. And this connects our back head unit. And this AUX input left and right. And this audio cable. You can check this camera. This side camera input. This side camera input. This camera adapter. And this video input, this back reserve wire 12 voltage, and AUX input left and right, and this for backup camera 12 wire. And this audio cable, you can check this subwoofer, sub-out subwoofer, and this audio out front and rear, left and right. This AMP power. Okay. Okay, let me show the head unit. The head unit is plug and play. It's wiring diagram on back, and this back of head unit, you can check. This is a higher level connection, and this 4G and Wi-Fi antenna. This 4G, this Wi-Fi, and this GPS, this radio, and this audio connections, USB connections. This original USB, and this connector on harness. This power and fuse. Okay. You can check this back side, and very big screw. 13.6 screw. Okay, let me connect the power and connect. Connect power on back head unit. Okay, the head unit will be started. Okay, this screw, how do you need? Okay, very big screw, and you can check this heading unit style, and this AC, these are AC buttons. You can control the AC on this panel, and this back. This is navigation, built-in Google Maps, and radio. This music, and all apps are here. You can check these settings. There has data and night mode. This data and night already built in the all languages. You can choose it. RDS, and supports radio. This audio video system. This AC settings. This factory amplifier, and other radar sound, RHD right hand drive set, and other information on these settings, factory settings, this system settings, this is user settings. You can choose it set the boot logo. Okay, and let me check the Android settings. This car settings, you can check this car settings, and the TPMS, factory TPMS amplifier, harbor, other settings. This 360 reserve, original settings from the vehicle. Okay, and this Bluetooth, this car auto for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you can visit belsee.com internet. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the application for it. The audio settings, amplifier, and other settings. This Android settings. But you can check Android 11 system. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.